Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about finally keyword in Java. Finally is a keyword in Java and that is used to create one block of code which contains the crucial statements of a Java program. And the code we write inside the finally block will always be executed whether there is one exception occurred in the program or not. And the crucial statements can be, in example, closing one opened file or connection or a stream. But there are some situations in the program when the finally block does not execute, like when there is one exception occurred inside the finally block, then the finally block will not execute. And also if we are calling the system.exit method, then also the finally block will not execute. And similarly, if we are using the stop method to kill one thread, then also the finally block will not execute. And there are some rules we need to follow while using the finally block. Like the finally block cannot be used without a try block. There must always be one try block to have one finally block in the program. And the finally block can be used together with try catch block. Like first we have the try and catch block, and after the try and catch block we can have the finally block which contains the crucial statements of one program. And also we can have the try finally block without the catch block, and this is also possible in Java. And there is one important aspect is that finally block will still execute even there is no exception occurred in the try block. And also if the try block has control transfer statements like return, continue or break, still the code we write inside the finally block will always be executed. So in this example program we have one class called test, and inside the main method we have one try block, and we have intentionally put one exception inside the try block. So the try block will throw an exception object and it will be handled by the catch block, and the code inside the catch block will be executed and it will print the string exception handled in the catch block onto the console. And after that we have one finally block, so no matter whether there is one exception handled or not, the code inside the finally block will always be executed. So it will print the string finally block executed onto the console. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program. So you can see the output. First we have the string exception handled inside the catch block, which is because of the statement execution inside the catch block, and then we have the string finally block executed, and this is because of the code execution inside the finally block. So in Java we can create one finally block with the keyword finally, and the code we write inside the finally block will always be executed no matter whether there is one exception occurred in the program or not, or that exception handled by one catch block or not. Irrespective of all the situations, the code we write inside the finally block will always be executed. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.